Here we have a 2003 Kenworth T800 with an 18-foot manure box. Truck is running right now. Coming up on our September 10th online only auction. We're located just on the east side of Huron, South Dakota. If you want to come and take a look at it, just get a hold of me. Sitting here right on the highway. ISM 11 Cummins diesel. These are all Glendix trucks. And they are working and operating. And let's see here. Just pull it out here for you. One-handed with your phone is not easy. There it is, 2003 T800 Kenworth Cummins diesel, an 18-foot manure box. BenMeyerAuctions.com. Thanks for looking and good luck bidding.